The Starfish. One day, a man was walking along the beach when he noticed a boy picking something up and gently throwing it into the ocean. Approaching the boy, he asked, "What are you doing?" The boy replied, "Throwing a starfish back into the ocean. The sun is up and the tide is going out. If I don't throw them back, they'll die." The man laughed to himself and said, "But, son, don't you realize there are miles and miles of beach and hundreds of starfish? You can't possibly make a difference." After listening politely, the boy bent down, picked up another starfish, and threw it back into the surf. Then, smiling at the man, he said, "I made a difference to that one." Every small act of kindness makes a difference, even if it seems insignificant.